Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 on your iPad. Since Counter-Strike 2 is a PC-exclusive title, it isn't natively available on iPad. However, you can still enjoy the game through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your device. To ensure a smooth experience, you'll need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally with low latency. Several excellent cloud gaming services allow you to play Counter-Strike 2 on your iPad. GeForce Now lets you stream games you already own on Steam, offering various subscription tiers. Boosteroid is another strong option, providing access to many PC games, including Counter-Strike 2. Additionally, Shadow PC gives you a complete Windows desktop in the cloud, letting you install and play any PC game, including Counter-Strike 2. While there isn't an official way, some players explore unofficial workarounds. These might include installing an Android operating system on a modified Switch to access mobile app stores. However, it's important to understand that such modifications can void your console's warranty and potentially lead to instability or other issues. These methods are not supported by Nintendo or Supercell, and their reliability can vary greatly, often resulting in a less than ideal experience. To maximize your Counter-Strike 2 gaming flow, optimize your environment. Stay as close as possible to your Wi-Fi router to ensure the strongest signal and lowest latency. Before launching the game, close all other background applications on your iPad to free up processing power and memory. Finally, experiment with the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service. Sometimes, slightly lower settings can provide a much smoother and more responsive streaming experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.